The FumeClear Solder Extractor FC100W is an excellent tool for small bench soldering, providing a highly efficient purification rate of 99.97%, which far exceeds the efficiency of small fume smoker absorbers. This extractor is equipped with a unique 3-layer filter system that can effectively filter out 99.97% of harmful gases and tiny impurities. The main carbon filter of the FC100W is composed of high iodine activated carbon, offering superior adsorption and purification effects and an impressive service life of 3,000 hours. The FC100W demonstrates exceptional suction power reaching up to 200 cubic meters per hour, easily absorbing all fine objects near the hood head, including exhaust gas, powder, and iron filings. FumeClear ensures peace of mind with their 24/7 customer support and a generous return or exchange policy for any quality issues. Priced at $289, the product offers great value for money given its high-end features and the peace of mind offered by the brand.